This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible. In about 30 minutes, we have the Jordan 5 Ama Mangers dropping. However, social status ended up dropping a little bit earlier, and I decided to add it to cart just to see how much I would end up paying after shipping and taxes. And basically, I'd be paying almost $270, which is absolutely crazy for a retail price. And Jordan 5s aren't really all that hyped to begin with, so although resale prices are looking good right now, don't really think that they're gonna hold up. Apparently tons of people hit on the raffle, so I think there's gonna be a lot of stock. I'm currently looking at the prices for the Ama Manger Jordan 12s. Man, it is looking grim. In hindsight, it could be a bad idea for me to pass on this release, but there's a lot of red flags that I just can't ignore really. High stock, insanely high retail price, not a hype model. Who knows, I could be wrong, but I'm just gonna step away from the risk personally.
Say what you want, this is true romance. I know you wrote it, but I really know
Last month, I copped these beauties from Goats for about $200. Today, I sold them for $240. After fees, my profit should be around 30 bucks. Nothing too crazy, but not too bad. Also sold another speaker from the Verizon price error. And speaking of Verizon price errors, the last of my orders finally came in. I gotta get those listed on eBay as fast as possible because, as you can see in the background, my apartment's starting to look like a warehouse. So let's get rid of these. Over the past 48 hours, I sold a Hellstar tee, more speakers that I got from the Verizon price error, and I did a whole lot of rewards farming. There has been a ton of Black Friday deals, and that's why I decided to just take advantage of that. As you can see, we spent and made a lot of money. On top of that, we sold a Born and Raised Dunk. These Christmas shopping sessions seem to be in full force because the sales are going nuts. Hopefully we can keep this up. Made a bunch of sales, some random hoodie that has been sitting around that I'm not doing anything with, and then sold these two speakers from the Verizon price error. Margins for this speaker is absolutely horrendous, and that's because a buyer basically lowballed me and I decided to accept. If you are selling multiple quantity of one item and it shows that there are sales on that listing, from my personal experience, the eBay algorithm bumps this listing up so that hopefully I can sell the rest of them faster. Today we have the Ama Manger Jordan 5s dropping, this time in the dust colorway. However, I am going to be passing on these for the same reasons that I passed on the Jordan 5 Dawn. Supreme is going to be dropping a mini basketball hoop which has a lower retail price. However, I'm not going to full send it. I'm going to be running 6 tasks and I'm expecting at least a few of them to hit. Okay, I should get a bunch of checkouts here. No way, bro. Okay, I got one. Alright, nah. It was, alright. Happy with that. 2 so far. I wonder if that's like an actual bank decline. Wish I got like a couple more. I'm just gonna keep running. No biggie.
A nigga never been as broke as me. I like that. When I was...
So right now we're at about 3.2k plus about 1k in unrealized profits. Hopefully by next episode we can crack $4,000. Let's see if we can do it.